How to use quick transitions in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab and select the video or clips you want to work with. Tap on Let's Go and the app will automatically create the video for you, adding transitions between clips to give it a smooth and professional look. You cannot manually edit or add transitions yourself. Every time the app creates a new video, it applies different transitions automatically based on the style and pace of your footage. After the video is created, you can preview it, and if you want to customize further, tap Edit to trim clips, change music, or adjust other settings. Once you are satisfied with your video and its automatic transitions, tap Save to finalize your project. Now you know how to use quick transitions in GoPro Quik through its automatic video creation feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.